Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically generate a text effect on CapCut PC. So go to text and go to AI generated, and then enter the text that you want. So here, for instance, you want to type in the word flower. You can also adjust the font here later. I'm just going to select this one, and then I'm going to describe the text effect that I want to generate. So I'm just going to type in flower, floral, daisy, pink, green, and let's generate that. It does take a few minutes to generate, so be patient. As you can see, it's still generating here. And it creates this really pretty text effect, and you can just add that to your videos or photos. I'm just going to add in a background real quick. Let's see. Flower background. It's a little bit too similar to that one, so maybe change it to something else. Or this one. Let's do this 16 by 9 and kind of zoom in a little bit, and let's move the text a little bit to the left so you can see the flower. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!